Last week we ended off studying about whales. Whales are one of the largest mammals on Earth, but yet they're able to float in water. So we're going to conduct a little science experiment today showing you why that's possible. So what you're going to need is 2 plastic bottles that have caps on them. I decorated mine, I don't know if you can see, with some whale pictures. You can decorate yours however you like. This bottle has a cup of water in it, and this bottle has a cup of oil in it. I'm going to take both of these and I'm going to put them in a much larger bin that's filled with water. And I want you to guess which one you think is going to sink and which one you think is going to float. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to put both of them in. If you guessed that the one filled with oil was going to float, you were right. As you can see, the one with the water in is dipping, the top of it is dipping way below the water. And the reason for that is a whale has a very fatty liver. And that is why he's able, one of the reasons why he's able to float on top of the water. Also this week, we're talking about safety around the water. Us humans do not have fatty livers or a body makeup like the whale. If we go into the water, we are not going to float unless we know how to swim or we have some sort of protective equipment like a life preserver or a life jacket. So it's very important that we talk about water safety as well, because we want to be able to stay afloat and be safe when we're at a pool or a beach or even in the tub. Hope you have fun with this experiment. And if you want, you can add, if you have some plastic whales or fish, you can add them to your water and have some fun for another sensory experience as well as a science experiment.